You have a problem?
I don't think. I only have one problem.
Broccoli, cauliflower, no, broccoli or...
I only have one problem. Go down.
Hold on.
Go down.
He looks like his dad.